Good evening, ma'am. Bagusto Mark Leonard C. from BSM 4. So, my answer for number one in how does a air compressor works? So, air compressor works in a principle that the air enters the piston or vane and is completely compressed by increasing its pressure and at the same time decreasing its volume. So, as the name of the compressor suggests that um, it compress it compress the air inside the vessel in which the air enters. So, as soon as the pressure reaches the maximum set by operator or the manufacturer, uh, uh, the switch mechanism prevents any further air intake in the compressor. Uh, so here, the switch mechanism prevents the uh, air intake because it prevents the compressor to overload, so, to prevent it from over exceeding its maximum size of pressure. Number two, which is discuss the different parts of an air compressor and its function. So the first one is a piston compressor. So piston compressor is a positive displacement compressor that uses pistons driven by a crankshaft to deliver gases at high pressure. As the word itself suggests that it is a piston compressor which uses a piston which reciprocates inside the vessel to create uh, and deliver gas at high pressure. Next one is rotary screw air compressor. So rotary screw air compressor is a type of gas compressor such as an air compressor that uses a rotary type positive displacement mechanism. Next one is the centrifugal air compressor. Centrifugal air compressor achieve a pressure rise by adding kinetic energy velocity to a continuous flow of fluid through the rotor or impeller. Next one is the compressor pump. The pump compresses the air and discharges it into the receiver. Next one is the motor. So a motor, it is an air compressor needs electric motor to power up the machine. So basically, this is the source of energy of the compressor. The motor basically drives two belts and pulley which allows the transfer of power from the motor to the pump. Next one is the tank. So tank, this is the compressor part that stores the air being compressed. So the tank, serves as a container of the air being compressed. Next one is the pressure switch. So here, as the as it as the name suggests that it is a switch, so it automatically shuts down the motor when the receiver reaches its factory set limit. If the machine reaches the maximum capacity of its recorded, then it automatically shuts down the motor. Next one is the drain valve. So the drain valve has a main purpose of the drain valve is exactly what its name implies. It drains the oil, dirt, moisture, and other debris that might be trapped inside the tank. So the drain valve, it is used to remove dirt, debris inside the tank. Next one is the pressure gauge. Uh, Pressure gauge is it is used as a to measure the compressed air in the tank of the air compressor. So pressure gauge, it is a instrument which uses to measure the pressure inside the tank.